Hi guys, my name is Amanda Haynes and I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm the MELLO group in a beautiful Debary community. They have single family homes, townhomes, and bungalows. And this is a single family home called the Suncrest. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage. You can see it's 2 stories with these stairs here behind me and a little over 2,400 square feet. Stay tuned and I will show you around.
This Suncrest model is a KHovnanian home. It's in a beautiful Debary community. You're not far from the St. Johns River or I-4, and you're also very close to the Debary Sunrail. The base price starts at $437,990. You have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2,419 square feet of living space with a 2-car garage. The half bath is here just before you go into your dining room and kitchen space. You have a full-size bathroom across the hall. We come into your first bedroom with a nice view of your front porch. You have your closet space. Now you do have the carpet, but you can always choose the upgraded option to have a different type of flooring. Over here is your dining. You can easily fit a table with 6 chairs. And you can see another 5 could go at the island. You have all of your stainless steel appliances. A pantry over here in the corner to store all of your dry goods. A great room with nice sliding glass doors. Over here you have a glass door taking you over to your garage, and across from it, a nice coat closet. We can now head outside through these sliding glass doors. You have your covered lanai with these beautiful pavers and a detached 2-car garage. I like that it's covered, so if it's raining, you're not going to get wet. You have that protection above your head. As we come back into the home, I'll show you the rest of the bedrooms upstairs. The amenities are still under construction, but they should be completed soon. There will be a playground, walking trails, there's a pavilion, and a community pool. If you're looking for something soon and don't have time to build, there are 2 inventory homes available. I believe one's a 2-bed, 2-bath townhome, and the other is a 3-bed, 2-bath single-family home. We'll start with this full-size bathroom. You have both the shower and the tub upstairs. I'll take you into the loft in just a minute, but first I want to show you these 2 bedrooms. This one has a beautiful balcony outside. You get a great view of the neighborhood. It's quite large. You have single-family homes, townhomes, bungalows. This particular floor plan gives you 3 options for elevations, going anywhere from $437,990 to $451,990. This is your 3rd bedroom. You have a nice hall closet here, or a linen closet. You have your loft. There's lots of options to choose from. You also have the option of having a bonus room up here. And instead of having a home office downstairs, there was an additional bedroom added. Last, you have your primary bedroom suite. In your bathroom, you have the granite countertops. You have a nice big walk-in closet. And a glass enclosed shower. If this community looks like something you would be interested in, please feel free to give me a call. For a faster response, a text is even better. Again, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.